Hey man, it's your boy Chris Lee, aka CEasy. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the lifestyle, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we have a special one. We're going to be looking at Dababy's merch review. Someone had suggested this like a week ago. I've been trying to get at it, like I peeped the merch, I peeped a majority of it. And one thing I will go ahead and say is that I do not really feel like with the way he's laying everything out that it will be a good resale opportunity. And I'll get into the reasoning once the video starts and I pull out the laptop. But before that, I need you guys to go down below, smash up that like button, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe. By the time this video is uploading, or by the time I'm recording this video, we're literally 17 subscribers away from 2,000 subscribers. Y'all know the big goals rolling 10K, but that is amazing. I can't thank you guys enough. I know, I feel like I'm thanking y'all each and every single video, but man, this is amazing. It's a great feeling that you guys even support me. And again, if you have not already, make sure that you go ahead and follow the resale page, and just stay tuned because upcoming this week, we're going to be covering some Supreme pieces. Those pieces are going to go straight to the resale page. And as y'all can tell from the last video, we went ahead and we copped the Palm Angels X Pop Smoke collab. That piece, it looks like it's going to be reselling for like maybe up to $300. And if that's the case, I already know, boys, you're going to have to undercut the market. I'll probably hit it right around $250. But it seems like this could be a very, very nice, cool way to start off the reselling, game and whatnot. But without further ado, I'll go ahead and pull out the laptop, get this video started. Alright, so you guys know how this section goes. I got my laptop right over here. I'm not going to waste any time. We're going to go ahead and get into it. Go ahead and get the recording going right now. Let's refresh the page. Actually, no, we good. Okay, so essentially, let me tell y'all the issues with if you're trying to go ahead and like do the sit and hold like tactic for Dababy. Okay, so right now, just knowing how Dababy is, and y'all gonna see it. I feel like he likes to like milk this stuff. Like he's gonna have this up like literally forever. Like if you want a piece, you're probably gonna be able to get your hands on it. Therefore, it eliminates the resale opportunity. But without further ado, there are a few pieces that I feel like will be nice. Like I like, you know what I'm saying? So let me go ahead and hit the merch. So we have a lot of there's a lot of pieces. I remember that was the issue whenever I recorded this the first time, bro. He has literally like so many pieces. So essentially what we're gonna do, we're gonna take a look at one and just go through. I know these aren't the most recent ones. So you got the Dababy logo hoodie, and that's essentially just himself. This is a cool and nice cartoon. Like out of all the pieces, I like this. Okay. And then we have the Blame It on Dababy in green. I should go ahead and switch the colors, but we're good. So we're looking at this, it's about $65. Okay, so we have these down, and now you have the Dababy purple outline logo hoodie. Alright, it's nice, it's cool, it's clean, simple. I really do like the logo ones. Alright, and what is this? This is the Rockstar collegiate black hoodie. Okay, so this is what I'm thinking. I'm thinking that like with pieces like this, where'd it go? Let me go back. Let's go again. Okay, there we go. Okay, so like with pieces like this that are like geared towards his songs and whatnot, I feel like they're gonna have an expiration date. So at some point in the future, not near future, but probably like mid to long term, maybe some of these pieces you might be able to like hold on to if you want to that long. But with all the other opportunities out, with Supreme dropping, being on alert for like Revenge or even just like the next Be-Alone collab, I feel like it would be smarter to just go ahead and stack up your bread for just that. But this is a nice, cool little hoodie to have. Like I would definitely want to have this for like the best tool merch of 2020 collection, you know what I mean? So the Rockstar tie-dye hoodie, and this one actually goes ahead and it has the cool, nice little font. So as you can see, I'm kind of going faster with it because there's so many of like the same pieces, so it's no point in me like being repetitive about like going through each and every single one. But based off of what we have over here, what I'm really liking is I like the logo. I like the logo hoodie, and then this one over here. So those two are definitely my favorite. I like this one just because it's very simple. But I'm gonna go back and see if there's anything on the back, and no, there is not. So yes, these are my two favorite pieces for page 3. We're gonna go and look at page 2. All right, so to start it off, we have another Rockstar one we looked at, and then we have this one, the Lambo one. I wasn't the biggest fan of this one. It gives me like, I don't know, like it just wasn't the biggest fan of it. Like it's a cool design. I feel like this will look better on the shirt, but just the print by itself, I wasn't the biggest fan of. Again, you have it repeated. Okay, now we have the peephole. I like the peephole one. This one was nice. Like I like the black contrast. I like how it looks. This is kind of live to me, but most definitely, I feel like a hoodie is tough. I feel like I wish this was on the back though. I feel like that would be tough. And if it just said like Dababy right here, if it was a simple Dababy and he had this print on the back, I feel like that would be stupid hard. very, very hard. Like I said, someone messaged them telling them to put me on the committee. No, I'm playing. But yeah, and then we have the logo, or not the logo. We have the deluxe, like the album cover freaking piece. It's a nice piece. I ain't gonna lie. I'm trying to figure out. This is a tough one because I'm not as familiar with the baby, so I don't really know how long he'll keep this stuff up. Because it's been up. I checked this stuff out last week. All of it was still here. But yeah, just blame it on the baby. The bullet hole one. I mean, there are some pieces I definitely will rock with, without a doubt. They have another one. Let's go ahead and look at it in white. It's pretty nice as well. And the prices are low. Because that's the thing with like straight tour merch, like the merch that's not hype. It's like you take a gamble, but like eventually, like if the artist is like nice enough, they got enough hype, and they don't keep their pieces up for too long, you can literally go ahead and resell it. And the thing is, you're not reselling. It's not like you're trying to do a flip like, oh, I bought it for $25, $30 after shipping, handling, and taxes. I'm finna try and sell it for $100. It's like, nah, you ain't doing that. It's like literally like you're doubling it. So you're putting at like 50, 60, max 70. And that price range, I feel like a lot of people, it's just like very appealing because it's like, oh, it's not breaking the bank, and this is a piece right from them. And on top of that, I wasn't able to copy because I didn't have my money yet, but now I do. You see what I'm talking about? So that's just like my logic whenever I'm looking at these pieces and whatnot. That's kind of like what goes through my head. And this is coming from firsthand actually having pieces. Like if you guys are not watching, I'm having it linked up here. It's my best tour merch of 2019 video. I literally was able to sell a Playboy Cardi merch piece from like 2018. I don't know if it's 2018, 2017. It was whenever he had his first concert down here. I literally only wore the piece once. It was too snug for me, so I always held it. It was like a grail in my collection. It was like my first ever concert, so it meant a lot to me. But it was just like I wasn't using it, and I knew that someone else out there would literally love to have that piece. And shout out to freaking Samir. He was the one who went in and copped it. And this is like when before I think I had like 400 or 500 subscribers. It was like probably one of the coolest feelings in the world that someone would actually went ahead and like wanted to get a piece or like purchase a piece that, you know, like I used to think that I was the only one who was into this type of stuff. And it's like seeing all you guys, I'm just like, dang, it's like, you know, your boy ain't alone. It's so live. But that one was straight. I wasn't the biggest fan of it. We already looked at the Blame It On baby shirts, but they have a whole lot more colors, and they have the logo show right over here. It looks nice as well. It's just very simple. It's just like, if it was embroidered, that would be next level, but I know that it is like breaking the bank and whatnot. Okay, so we have some more logos. We have that, but these, they say Kirk at the back. You have the Rockstar collegiate ones. I like the collegiate collection, or like the pieces. Shirts, looks like they got some washed colors over here. Let's look at this one. It's kind of hard. Rockstar. Let's go. Okay, it's not bad, not bad. It's just the quality on these shirts. This was I think this is my favorite piece right over here. I like this little cartoon graphic. This is a piece I would want to sit and hold on. It's just I don't know how long it will be, and especially because it's just with the Rockstar, so I don't know how long it will be up, but go ahead and see. He'll probably leave it up until he comes up with like another design or whatnot. Really taking a look at these. But yeah, and the peephole shirts is gonna be the last piece. But like I said, in that black, it looks really, really nice as a shirt in comparison to like the white. I don't really like the black contrast. To me, it kind of throws things off a little bit. And it's like you can see how much like edits and whatnot that they put on this right over here. It's like the white makes it like really, really scream at you, where it's like more subtle against the black, even against the bleach one, even though I wouldn't go ahead and cop this version. Okay, whew. Got all that out the way. We got the last piece right here. It's just the logo one. I'm gonna give you guys my top 3. This is like for personal collection, not for resale. Okay, so first piece right over here, I like the Rockstar Zombie t-shirt. The second one, let's go through. I'll go with the peephole black hoodie. And then the third, you know, might think I'm born for this one, but I already said I like it a lot, is the Rockstar Collegiate Black Hoodie. It's small, it's subtle, just clean, everyday wear type piece right over there. Alright, so this is essentially how I'm feeling about the baby collection. I mean, it's straight, you know what I mean? There's a few pieces that I like. After looking at it a few more times compared to when I did before, in the beginning, I ain't gonna lie, first time I saw it, I thought it was complete trash. I didn't even want to go through it. That's why it took me so long. But looking at it again, I'm like, you know what? Some of these pieces is actually better than I thought. Some of them you could even hold and sit on for some months and collect, you know, a 200% return on the pieces, which is actually pretty cool as well. But it's really dependent on how long he wants to go ahead and keep it. I got 2 questions for you guys. For one, let me guys know if you went ahead and copped it, and 2, let me know your opinions about it. Like, is you rocking with it? Do you think it's trash? Like, are you gonna keep buying and try and sell? Go ahead and let me know. On top of that, make sure you guys go ahead and smash up that freaking like button. Let's get 100 likes on this video. Y'all know how I am with that. See if we can get a streak of these hundreds. You know what I'm saying? If 100 people watching it, come on, bro. 100 people gotta like it. You know what I'm saying? And also, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go down below and subscribe. Especially if you're like a returning person, you know what I mean? Like, come on, bro. Like, if you continue to watch my videos, just go ahead and support me one step further and hit that subscribe button. But anyways, guys, again, thank you for all the love, support, comments, and whatnot. But anyways, it's your boy Chris Leah, aka CEasy, and I'm out.
I got a lot on my mind. 16 and 0 and 29. I got AK with the scores and 9.